Hey folks, welcome back to the channel Alchemic Power, where we're bringing the power to you. Today we got a service call for a commercial patio ceiling heater. The customer is telling us that the heater wouldn't turn off, and now it will not turn on. Let's get into it. These are Infratech electric ceiling heaters. Each heater is controlled through a central panel, common setup for restaurant patios and commercial outdoor spaces. So first thing we do is kill power and open up the main control panel that feeds all the heaters on this patio. And in that panel, you'll usually find a solid state relay for each heater. That relay is what switches the heater on and off based on the thermostat or the control switch. When one of those fails, you get exactly what this customer described. A heater that runs no matter what the switch says. This is where all the SSRs live, one per heater. Bingo, we found the relay that's failed. We're going to pull this relay out and swap it for a new one. Same specs, same amperage rating. Nothing fancy here, just make sure your wiring goes back exactly where it came from. New relay's in, power's back on, let's test it. Okay, that's not what we want to see. New SSR is in, and the heater is still not doing what it's supposed to do. So the relay wasn't the only issue here. Something downstream got damaged. We're going to have to go up and take a look at the heater itself. Here's what happened. When the SSR failed, it left the heater running full blast for days straight before anyone caught it. That kind of continuous load cooked the wires right back from the connection point. This has to be cut back to good conductor. This is not something you can patch with tape and call it a day. We got great news here. They've got some slack built into this feed. That means we can cut back past all the heat damage to conductor that's still in good shape without having to run a whole new circuit. Not every job gives you that. If this feed was already tight, we'd be looking at a much bigger job. Cutting back to clean, undamaged copper, stripping it, and making our connection fresh. This is the part where you don't cut corners. A bad connection here is exactly how you end up back in the same spot. Make sure to use the correct wire nuts that are rated for high heat. While we're here, we're also swapping the heater elements for new ones. After running uncontrolled for days like this, we're not taking a chance on those old elements. New elements, heater goes back together. All right, here's the moment of truth. Breaker's back on. And there it is. Heater's back up and running. You can feel the heat kick in right away. And this time, it's actually under control. Failed SSR, which caused hidden damage down the line, and a fix that took a bit more digging than we expected walking in. That's it for this one. You know the roll call. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that bell so you get notified every time we release a new video. By the way, it's every Friday, so I hope to see you next Friday. Peace out.